And then we have Scatters, the tabby over by the door, with Wishing Well for Paws. Out with MM for Marilyn Monroe, the gray and white, who's with the Queenie Foundation, so I don't know if they've been out together. Probably. Other people have probably let them out together. Scatters. Let's see, I've got to read this thing here. Scatters. Scatters is a year old and male. MM. Obviously female, standing for Marilyn Monroe. Is 1 year. And they're both fixed. You like this thing, huh? Except Simba kind of did away with it, didn't he? Hello, sweetie. Hello, you two. You want to play with this? Caught it. Yeah. M likes the mouse that goes round and round. Although I think M prefers the pink one where the mouse is still whole, rather than the blue one with the mouse that Simba, I assume, destroyed. He's looking back in, wondering if his condo is ready yet, and it's not. I've been too busy recording you to clean. Sorry, dear. Okay. All right. I think that was close enough, huh, guys? Ain't you good girl? Em is very affectionate. And so is Scatters. They've established that that was close enough. They seem quite content to ignore each other. It's a good boy, Scatters. Yes, beautiful gold eyes you got. Okay. Good. Right past her. Didn't go for her toy. Good. Lots of toys. Everybody playing with their own. This is good. I'm going back to cleaning.